heart and soul of Akanksha. If you take a teacher away from an Akanksha classroom, we really have nothing and we are nothing. Akanksha teachers can come from many walks of life. They can be college graduates, trained educators, or corporate professionals who transition into the education profession. The Akanksha teacher leads a very special life in the classroom. They operate with very few resources, and so we invest really heavily both by trying to pay competitive salaries as well as in their professional development, so they also continue to learn during their time with us. The Akanksha teachers' lives are hard to understand without seeing them, and so here's a glimpse into the lives of our Akanksha teachers.
On my first day at Akanksha, I observed a center at Prabha Devi Yuvti Sharan. My earliest memory was of the children singing their morning prayer. God's love is so wonderful. These children who had absolutely nothing were so appreciative of God's love. I was so moved that I began to teach from that day itself.
When I taught them the water cycle, I brought a kettle to show them steam. I put a metal plate over the steam to show them what condensation is. I am so thankful that we have a projector in our class so that I can show the kids the world outside like they've never seen before.
Our school has a clear goal. Our children need to be academically at par with children from other privileged private schools. To reach the goal, you need to be committed and diligent and plan every minute of your class. Furthermore, you are more than a teacher. You are a mentor and a support not only for the children but their families too. The success or failure of every child begins and ends with you as a teacher.
We have an excellent team. Each one is unique like our children. Each one has their own working styles and ideas. My co-teacher Sana teaches 2nd B. We work together, we plan together, we watch out for our kids. I will never underestimate the power of teamwork.
I'm a smarter, more considerate, more compassionate, more enthusiastic person. It's made me a better human being.
We need more primary school teachers. We have these IITs, IIMs in India, but what about primary school education? In our society, very few people from the lower strata make it anywhere. That is why I decided to join Akanksha. I felt our country needed more well-trained, well-educated people to join together and put their time into this cause. Yes, we can make a difference. So I decided to teach.
Akanksha means hope. It stands for two things. One, the belief that I have that each child should have an access to an excellent education. And the second, the commitment that I have made that I will do whatever it takes to ensure that this dream turns into a reality. Every day in classrooms in school, when I see that there are kids who are trying really hard, there are teachers who are trying to turn this dream into a reality, really struggling, planning, working with the kids, enjoying and teaching them and really see the results. I think that is something that motivates me to come to work every day.
I'm coming to school to enjoy the studies the teachers teach me and to get some knowledge.
Everybody is together. They believe in a lot of creativity, in a lot of knowledge, and I think that makes it different from other schools.
मेरी लड़की यहाँ 3 साल से पढ़ रही है और उसका इतना ग्रोथ हो गया कि मैं इतना खुश हो गया कि मेरे लाइफ में मैं कभी इतना अंग्रेजी पढ़ा नहीं था.
Basically for us it's not like coming to work because we've all developed such a strong bond and a relationship which kind of goes beyond.
जीवन में बच्चों का तो ऐसा चेंज हो गया ना कि छोटी छोटी बातों में खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोना, शूज़ घर में नहीं लाने का, बाहर रखने का, कपड़े खुद पहनने का, स्कूल का तैयार करने का.
घर में जाकर खाने के लिए बढ़ गया, लेकिन मेरी लड़की ने मेरे को बोले नो दिस इज़ नॉट गुड हैबिट, स्टैंड अप एंड वॉश योर हैंड. बोले तो उसमें इतना तो ये उसका ग्रोथ इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो मेरे को बता रही, मेरे को इतनी खुशी हो गई कि लाइफ में हमारे कोई पेरेंट्स ने हमको ये बताया नहीं.
आणि मी या शाळेचा PTA मेंबर्स पण आहे. मुलांना शाळेमध्ये काय शिकवतात आठवडाभर हे आम्हाला एक दिवशी बोलावून पेरेंट्स मीटिंग घेऊन किंवा पेरेंट्स क्लास घेऊन आम्हालाही सांगतात.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हमारे ऐसे मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा पाते, बाकी सब क्लास में इतनी फीस है जो हम नहीं दे पाते, इसलिए म्यूनसिपाल्टी में डालते, शायद ये तालीम हासिल नहीं होती.
क्योंकि हम लोग को हर फैसिलिटी मिलती है, सब चीज़ बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं हमारे, उनको ट्यूशन में भी नहीं डालते. मेरी बेटी में तो पढ़ाई में अच्छी है, बातचीत में अच्छी है, मतलब कहीं भी जाती है तो ऐसी बात करती तो मेरे को गर्व महसूस होता है कि कोई तो एक बच्चा मेरा आगे बढ़ रहा है.
I like the culture of Akanksha. And I like the belief that Akanksha has in every individual. May it be a parent, may it be a teacher, may it be a helper didi, may it be a social worker, and of course the kids.
I want to be scientist. I want to become a CID. I want to go see Earth, space.
Would like to invent something in future.
Archaeologist. Archaeologist.
My dream is to become an UPS officer.
I want to become a scientist.